even though there's this part of me that doesn't think miracles are possible, and it's keeping me from experiencing greater joy, love, and abundance in my life. And there's a part of me that doesn't want to let this disbelief or this resistance go. Maybe because I don't want to seem naive. And maybe because I've believed in miracles in the past and they didn't work out for me. And I don't want to let that happen again. And I really want to get to the bottom of this. And I want to love, honor, and acknowledge all of my parts, especially the ones that feel resistant to believing in miracles. Or at least miracles that might be possible for me. Okay, take a deep breath, shake out your hands. I don't believe in miracles. Can't possibly happen for me. I've tried believing in miracles in the past, and I was disappointed. So, not believing in miracles now keeps me from experiencing that disappointment again. Keeps me from experiencing that pain again. But what if I could open up to another possibility? What if there was a possibility that lay before me that I couldn't allow in, that essentially is just waiting for me, but can't reach me because of this wall of disbelief that I've built around me? All this resistance to opening up to miracles. It's all in how you look at it. Maybe I haven't experienced a big miracle, but every day I experience little ones, like waking up and breathing and being sustained in my life by breath or something bigger than myself. Every day the sun comes up. And that's a miracle. Every day I go on my computer or my phone, and that's a miracle. I can either look at the world through the lens of everything is a miracle, or through the lens of nothing is a miracle. It's always my choice. But the miracles are always there. I just have to notice them and allow them in. So maybe if I let go of some of this resistance, I can start noticing and taking in those smaller miracles. And that will open me up to experiencing and noticing even bigger miracles. letting go of any remaining resistance around believing that miracles are possible for me. Clearing any past experiences that told me not to believe in miracles for myself. Clearing them in every cell of my body. And all the way back through my past. Letting go of this disbelief in every cell of my body. And tapping into willingness to start noticing the miracles that are happening all around me every day. And trusting that little miracles open the door to bigger miracles. And if they can happen for other people, maybe they can happen for me too. Letting go of this disbelief in every cell of my body. And tapping into, maybe it's possible for me to experience miracles. And tapping into willingness to change my perception about what's possible. Take a deep breath, shake out your hands. Just notice if your energy has shifted or changed. If you feel a little bit more willing to open up to some of those small miracles that might just open the door to the bigger ones. If you are looking for some money miracles, I have a free money mindset training and a tapping session that goes along with that on clearing financial stress and anxiety that you can get at theluckysoul.com/money training. Thanks so much for joining me for this tapping session, and I look forward to seeing you again soon.